Let's start by hovering over the Jobs tab and selecting Labor Types. Labor types are paramount, as they are the key headers used to categorize your labor units, as well as being used in vehicle reminders and reporting features. The labor types displayed will include options such as MOT, service, and standard labor types. You can create and customize your own labor types by selecting New Labor Types in the top right corner or the blue plus icon in the top left. Let's create a new labor type together. We're going to call this new labor type Tire Fit and assign it as our fourth type in the display order. We can skip both the MOT and service type tick boxes, as these are not relevant to our new Tire Fit labor type. Next, we are able to select a sales nominal code to be set against this labor type. You may choose to select a default sales nominal code. However, as we have a tire sales nominal code, let's select that. To finish up, select the necessary sales tax code, which on this occasion is our standard rate 20% tax code. To finalize the creation of your new labor type, click the Save button. Now let's move on to labor units. Labor units are preset prices of the repairs and services you offer within your garage. Let's hover over the Jobs tab and select Labor Units. Like labor types, you can customize existing and create new labor units. You'll find an Edit button at the end of each line if you'd like to make changes to existing labor units. However, let's create a new one. You can click New Labor Unit in the top right corner or hit the blue plus button on the left. Firstly, let's assign a new labor code. This is a shortened prefix for the full labor description. We will call this PUNCREP, for example. Now that's added, we can add a description of puncture repair. Next, we are able to assign a labor type from the drop-down menu, so let's choose our newly created Tire Fit labor type. A cost price can be added so you can report on the profit relating to this offered service, while the sell price is how much you'd like to charge the customer, excluding the VAT. Once you've added your pricing, we will now be able to allocate time to this labor unit. In the duration hours field, let's allow for 0.25 hours. The display duration hours field is useful if you'd like to allow for additional time in the calendar, while leaving the allocated time unchanged. Both the sales nominal and tax code fields should already be populated, as we've set this according to the labor type. The minimum and maximum engine size fields are used in our web bookings add-on feature. You can also select a check sheet to be assigned to a job with this labor unit. However, this is exclusively available on the advanced and pro levels of TechMan. In order for VAT to be applied when using this labor unit, let's ensure we've ticked the taxable option. This option is something you may leave unticked if you're creating labor units relating to MOTs. If you'd like this particular labor unit to be automatically added to jobs for new customers, you can tick the New Customer Only tick box. For example, this could be used for promotional vehicle health checks for new customers. Ensure your labor unit is enabled in order to access it when creating jobs and estimates within TechMan. When creating jobs, the lightning bolt icon is used to select from your frequently required labor units. Let's tick Add to Custom Jobs list to add puncture repair to this icon. Lastly, we can select if we'd like to add this labor unit to every job or estimate created via the tick box. Now that we're finished creating our labor unit, let's hit the Save button to confirm the setup. Once created, we can at this point add any video slots. Please be advised, this is only available for the advanced and pro level packages. Video slots allow technicians to record and upload videos through TechView. Simply select on the drop-down here the type of video and then click Add Video Slot. In the Attached Products section here at the bottom, we can assign a product to this labor unit. For this puncture repair labor unit, let's add in a mushroom patch, as we would like this to automatically be added to every puncture repair carried out. Start by typing out the product number here on the left, which will bring up Mush Patch. Then just click Add Product. Now that we have created the labor unit, let's have a quick look at how this looks in a job or estimate. Simply start typing the labor unit here in the Add Labor Unit box on the left, and it should automatically suggest the labor units associated. Click on the labor unit and then the Add Labor Unit button on the right here. And as you can see, the labor unit has been added along with the product that we had just set. Thanks for watching. For further assistance, feel free to visit our help centre to reach out to our support team. We're always here to help.